Hello guys, so today in this video we are going to see NBC Idea Season 10. So in this video we will see all the things about this competition like eligibility, prizes and what are rounds and how many rounds are there. So first let's get started with the eligibility criteria. For eligibility criteria, it's must be like you must be a B.Tech student of batch of 2026 and or 2027. So you can say that B.Tech full-time programmers of like you should be enrolled in B.Tech full-time program. You can be a pre and final year student, so you can participate. And then student must register in teams of 2 to 4 member. Cross specializations team can participate as well, but from same college. Like same college, you must have all group members. And so to get like you can say then from the there is no restriction on the number of teams from an institute, and teams with gender diversity will earn bonus point. So make sure to add female and male both on your team. And then what is the competition structure? So competition has mainly four rounds. First is assessment round, where they will give you 30 MCQ question. You have to solve in 13 minutes only. So these questions will be based on like computer and aptitude terms. The assessment window will open for 8 hours and participant can attempt the assessment anytime within the provided window, and participant will be tested on, as I say, aptitude and computer fundamentals. And each participant will be evaluated based on their accuracy and speed, as well as so maintain accuracy and speed. If two participants answer the question correctly, the one who responds faster will be considered for final evaluations. Teams will be on the next level, they will be go to the idea. Like you have to submit your idea in two slide of PPT, and after that submission of this round they will select your idea. After that they have mentorship phase. So they suppose your idea gets selected, their mentor of NBC will show you how to do the things properly and how to get like your idea originated. You can say mentorship phase as well as like entered by leaders of NBC. They will work with their prospective mentors to prepare their innovative submission for the upcoming phase. First thing is important, like you have to clearly complete your uh, ap- aptitude and technical questions. After that your idea should be good enough to make a selection. Like it should be unique, and you can say it's simple but unique that makes changes in environment. After that mentorship is how detailed submission and virtual presentation. After that there is a round of virtual submission like presentation. You can say third round, yes. In this round, teams must submit their 8 to 10 slides of PPT, excluding cover and actual slide, showcasing their innovative ideas and problem solving strategies derived from insight. And if you suppose clear this round, there will be a grand finale at their campus. They will like in this round you have to give your presentation clearly and should be work on your communication skills as well, and give your presentation based as like they will get the idea of your how your idea can be impactful and how it's catchy. And then after that the prize ceremony. So for prizes, we are like first winner team will get the 1.5 lakh rupees. This first runner team will be get the cash prize of uh, 1 lakh rupees, and then second will be get 15,000. And they will also give the pre-placement interview opportunity to you, or like a grand finalist. They have not declared what they are giving the pre-placement interview opportunity, but in my as I say, I think they will give the opportunity to the finalists only, and I will give you the link in description box. Please go through that as well. After that, register yourself, add your friends, and work on your idea. Thanks for watching the video.